once more.
Oh, hi, Penny. I've used my skills of detection, and I've come to the conclusion that I'm perfectly fine.
Yeah,
Oh.
right. You have the flu. I've got some soup for you. You need to eat and then get some more rest.
But I can't rest. Evil doesn't rest. Go, Gadget, pillow fluffer.
Let me help you.
Penny, I think that fruit bowl is spying on me. Oh, Chief Quimby.
Gadget, I see you're still sick. I have a new mission, but maybe I should just give it to...
Me! I have to get out of here. Please!
Well, okay.
A mad agent has been breaking into museums and stealing their priceless artifacts for Dr. Claw. Your mission is to find out who is taking all the stuff and put a stop to it. This message may self-destruct.
Whew.
A thief? I can handle that.
I'm not so sure that's a good idea. You're still an agent in training.
I'll stay in constant contact with Uncle Gadget. I promise. Hey, maybe you could watch Uncle Gadget while I'm gone?
No.
Be ready for anything, Brain.
This is the best game of all time.
He might just be my best mad agent yet. With all these priceless artifacts, we can finally decorate your room, Mad Cat. It could really use some color to make it pop.
Looks like the thief is at it again. Did you see those moves? I didn't even get a chance to take a scan. And what was that light? I guess we should get back to Uncle Gadget. You can probably put your hands down now. There's no info about this mystery guy anywhere. I got nothing. What would Uncle Gadget do?
I think I'm feeling better.
Oh, wow. Well, I should probably get you a breath mint or something. Brain, could you make Uncle Gadget some mint tea? I wonder if there's enough security footage to make a composite picture. Uncle Gadget, you're not helping. And neither is this picture. Though it is kind of familiar. We're always a step behind the Mad Agent. So, we need to be not a step behind him. Brain, I know how to catch the spy. We'll be back in a little while. Remember to get some sleep.
Thank you for the tea. Huh? Don't think I forgot about you, Fruit Spyball. I could play this game all night.
Just thought I'd check in on my favorite agent in training. Is the trap set?
It is. The ruby's a fake, but it should look real enough for the Mad Agent to try and steal it.
Good luck, Penny.
There he is! He's not gonna know what hit him. Uncle Gadget? Brain, I can't believe that Uncle Gadget is the thief. Gadget! What? Did you... Uncle Gadget, wake up!
Oh, hi, Penny.
It's you! You're the thief! We were there! Why are you stealing things? You can't be working for Claw.
Huh?
You just can't!
I would never work for Dr. Claw.
I know what I saw with my own 2 eyes. Not to mention the 1,000 cameras I set up at the museum.
Wowzers. I look terrible.
Ew! So gross! Please tell me there's some tissue left. Wait a sec. This goo is tingling. That's not goo. Those are nanobots. Brain! Uncle Gadget isn't an evil secret mad agent. He's being remote controlled by an evil secret mad agent. Yes! Ooh, I can trace the nanobot's remote signal and find out who's controlling him.
Oh, man, I could play this for days!
Yes, I know what you mean. This book I'm reading is also playable for days. Wanna trade?
Not a chance.
Looks like it could be fun. You know, if you're into that sort of childish thing.
It's awesome. I programmed some pretty cool combination moves with the nano software. Gadget has never fought this good. Hey, don't lose my high score! Your turn is a lot longer than anyone else's turn.
Hey, I may be evil, but I draw the line at turn taking. It's your turn. Kidding, still me.
Not sure what just happened, but I gotta track that signal. I found the source. It's an abandoned video game warehouse. Let's go.
Hey, stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. I have managed to freeze time. I am amazing.
No, you just hit pause.
Yeah, well, fine. How do I restart it?
No, see, you have to hold the button and move the toggle at the same time. No, the other button. The button, not the trigger. God, just let me.
I've got it. Leave me alone. I command it.
Fine, whatever. You're just gonna lose them. They're getting away!
Well, I can't exactly drive without a license, now can I? Eyes on the road. Eyes on the roof! This is it, Brain. The video game warehouse. Okay.
There aren't any coins there. Wrong game.
Maybe there is. You don't know.
I do know they're right outside. Man, you're so bad at this.
It must be broken.
Yeah, it's broken. That's it.
There's the signal controlling Uncle Gadget. Just a couple more seconds.
Oh, look at that. She's doing research or something. That's cute. Oh, and let me show you what good actually looks like. Oh, come on! Seriously? She's so lucky.
Or maybe she just showed you what good actually looks like.
Now to extract those nanobots from Uncle Gadget. It looks like all the nanobots are gone. At least you don't have to worry about germs anymore.
Wowzers. I feel like I've been napping for days.
Huh? Oh no! They're getting away with all the stolen loot!
I'll get you next time, Gadget.
Thanks, but I don't need a ride, strange yelling man. Go, Gadget, copter.
No!
Penny, because you did so well on this mission, I'd like you to be in charge of returning all of the artifacts to the museums.
Wow, Chief. Thanks for trusting me.
Gadget, once again, thank you for a job well done.
Why, you're welcome, Chief. I do love a good nap.
Oh no. Those nanobots must have given Uncle Gadget an actual flu.
Where's everyone going? Oh, you're still here, Fruit Bowl. I've got my eye on you.